What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex and this is a bike shop series video. I got another client's bike. I got a bike that client reached out to me and told me that he needed a shifter cable replaced. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's go over the bike real quick. Before we do that, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and if you want to support the channel, check the affiliate links in the description below. Other than that, let's look at the bike real quick. So here's the bike. I have no idea what brand it is. I don't know if that's a custom paint job. I imagine it is, but I'm not sure. It looks kind of cool, kind of like a cruiser bike. It has a micro shift twist shifters, and it is a 1x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1x6, and it has a Shimano flat face, and it's a 26er with V brakes. It's a quill stem, and that actually a suspension fork with I have no idea how much trouble that thing has. It is pretty bouncy, but as we can see right here, this thing is, so basically I don't know what they did to it. We have the cable housing. Hopefully it's gonna be like a quick simple replacing the cable. Comes right here, is cut in between here and here. Looks like a clean cut. I don't know why. We're gonna replace that cable housing and adjust the derailleur if needed. Let's get right into it. So these twist shifters, this is actually a Sram shifter, not a micro shift. They usually have kind of like a little, I'm trying to look for it, maybe this little window thing that you can break out, and then you should have access to the shifting cable. Let me get a little screwdriver. Well, it seems like there's not a cable at all in here. Good thing this is actually turning. Now, just so you know, the shifting cable is actually going to be different than braking cable. Look at the end of the shifting cable right here. It's pretty thin compared to those of braking cable. So that is not going to work for shifting. You have to have the specific shifting cable. So on this side, there's kind of like a guide over here. So it seems like I have to take this out. In order to do that, I gotta take the grip off. So with that taken out, we can pull this back. I'm gonna be right here at the largest number. Pull this out. So I don't know if you can see right here, there's like a little channel right here. This is where we gotta fit this through, like so. It'll come out, and this is where that thing is gonna get stuck right there, and this is what's gonna help us move it. So from here, I just gotta feed it through. And I think there's a cable stuck inside it. That's why it's not moving anymore. Let me see what I can do. Yeah, there's something inside it. I can't get it out. I'm gonna need to see if I have a hose or cable housing and replace it. One laying around is a little bit longer, but it'll do the trick. Pull it. Alright, shifting has been adjusted. I had to play with the limit screws. Now for this, he didn't request that, but I'm gonna adjust the B brake real quick. I don't like B brakes, but whatever, it's right there. I think it'll be a pretty simple adjustment. Alright, so it was a pretty easy fix. The only thing that I had to improvise was the cable housing. There's something stuck in there. There's not even air coming out of it, so I couldn't even pull it out. So luckily I had housing laying around and I was able to swap that. So other than that, run the cable, adjust the B screw, adjust the limit screws just a little bit, adjust the brakes just for the sake of it, and this thing is ready to ride. That's it for this one, guys. I hope that you like this type of videos. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on, also share on social media platforms. If you want to become a channel member, you can do that. If you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can do that, or you can do support the channel different ways through the links in the description below. That's it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride.